Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we begin, I just want to put out a disclaimer that I am not a professional Mandarin speaker. I am not a teacher. I am just a learner, and I'm basically just documenting my Mandarin learning journey as I go and just sharing it with you. So please keep that in mind. My pronunciation, my tones, and my grammar may not always be accurate. As I said, I am just a learner. So, with that being said, your corrections and your feedbacks are most welcome. With that being said, let's start with the basic greeting, ni hao, which means hello, which I assume you probably have heard and you probably know it by now. Uh, Ni means you, and how means good or wow. Um, I've actually noticed something about Mandarin. Like Mandarin is very straightforward. Like they don't go around about saying things. They just go straight to the point. So yeah, ni hao means hello. Okay, so let's work on the pronunciations. Ni, ni has a rising tone, so it's ni. And then how has a falling rising tone, which is how. So Mandarin works on tones. Then it has a couple of tones, which we'll discuss a bit later on. So just right now, we're just working on the basic introductions. Okay, so before we move on, let's just do a basic warm-up exercise, just warming up your jaws. So say ma, 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 pa, 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 da, da, da. So that will just help you just loosen up your jaws a bit. It will help you as we proceed forward, with your Mandarin practice. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself in Mandarin. The basic phrase is 我叫,我叫, which means my name is. 我 means I or me. 叫 means to be called or to call. Okay, now let's work on the pronunciation. 我, say it with me. 我叫 叫. Put it together. 我叫 我叫. As a person who's also learning Mandarin, I have discovered that it is very important to practice on a regular and just immerse yourself in the language. That helps you, a lot to just improve your skill. Try to listen and speak as often as possible, even if it's just for a few minutes per day. You can also try watching Mandarin TV shows, movies with English subtitles, of course, or practicing with a language exchange partner. There are quite a number of platforms, that have people who are also eager to learn a new language. I will also share those with you. That's it for today. I just really wanted to keep this as short as possible and just straight to the point. I will keep on posting more videos. The more that I learn, I will share with you. This is a journey, like I said before, and I just want us to grow together. Everyone who's trying to learn Mandarin, we can all just gather here and we can just share our experiences, share the tips. Please feel free to just comment below, give me feedback, suggestions, and just questions. Yeah, and please do a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. 再见。